Behind the design. Lateral arch. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide lateral orthotic reaction force and support the lateral column. It was for a flexible supinated foot type with symptomatic tissue stress pathologies. The aim of this orthotic was to apply a lateral orthotic reaction force with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the height of the lateral arch in the digital corrections section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include its use to create a lateral orthotic reaction force or apply a pronatory moment. It can be used to support foot morphology, including the lateral arch or lateral column. Other applications include for lateral ankle instability or peroneal pathologies. It could be either an intrinsic shell variable or extrinsic addition, and can be applied to any scan or cast type, including non-weight bearing, semi-weight bearing, or weight bearing. Orthotip. Lateral arch prescription options. It can be prescribed as an intrinsic shell shape applied in the CAD design process and prescribed within a polypropylene, 3D printed, or EVA orthotic shell. Alternatively, it can be used as an extrinsic addition, applied to the dorsal surface of the orthotic shell under the lateral arch, manufactured out of Poron or EVA, which allows for easy adjustment or removal. It is also a common orthotic modification post-dispense. For more information on DOLA Orthotics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Access our DOLA custom manual at dolaorthotics.com.